Since its launch in 2014, the Yamaha MT-07 has become one of the favorite motorcycles in Europe, especially in Germany. Now, entering its fourth generation, the MT-07 is ready to arrive in 2025 with various interesting updates, including a new version of the Y-AMT with an automatic transmission system. The Yamaha MT-07 Y-AMT comes without a clutch lever or gear pedal, so riders can choose between two automatic gear shifting modes or manually adjust the 6 gears via a button on the handlebar. The new model also uses ride-by-wire technology, which replaces the throttle cable with electronic control. Yamaha's ride-by-wire feature is called YCCT, and it provides access to 3 riding modes: street, sport, and custom, which can be set to your preference. With this technology, slip control and cruise control are now available on the Y-AMT version of the MT-07, providing a more flexible and comfortable riding experience. In terms of engine performance, the MT-07 still uses the CP2 twin-cylinder engine that produces 73.4 horsepower and 67 Newton-meters of torque. Although the output is unchanged, the engine sound is now more powerful thanks to modifications to the sound intake, which is directed to the rider through a special hole in the tank fairing. For riding comfort, Yamaha has improved the position of the handlebars and footrests to be lower and wider, as well as the new seat shape, which remains at a height of 805 millimeters. This makes the MT-07 more accessible and increases the rider's contact with the bike. Yamaha also replaced the front fork with a new upside-down telescopic fork and new tuning on the rear suspension. This new design provides more stable handling, and combined with the latest 4-piston brakes at the front, the MT-07 riding experience is more solid and responsive. With the spin forging process, the MT-07 wheels are made lighter, which reduces the total weight by 1 kilogram. Despite being lighter, this motorbike still has a 14-liter tank capacity and complete features such as standard ABS and a 5-inch TFT screen connected to a smartphone with Garmin navigation. The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 will be available in 3 new colors: Icon Blue, Ice Storm, and Tech Black, with a 48-horsepower engine option for A2 licensees in Europe. For MT-07 fans, this latest version will go on sale in March 2025.